Success? You dare speak to me of success?
Hah, already?
How's it going, the people of the world? My name is Stefando, and right now I'm going to tell you about something. Right here in front of me, there's a big black box that contains information about an NGO that you may not know. This NGO move on humanity. So, without delaying, let's get it started. I'm going to unbox this. So, right now, we're going to talk about BRAC. What is BRAC? Well, most of you probably don't know what BRAC is. Well, in fact, BRAC is the largest NGO in the world in terms of employee, having employed more than 100,000 people across the globe, which 70% of them are women. They operate in 11 countries in the world, and having touched the life of the poor people, 1 out of 55 people across the globe. Well, they work in humanity and try to empowering poor people that still live in poverty by giving them what they need, such as school, healthcare, and others. Well, that's all a brief explanation about BRAC. Now, I'm going to explain about the other part of BRAC. Well, what do we have here? It's a flash containing all of the action that has been done by BRAC in the name of humanity. Well, we're going to plug it in to the laptop and see what we have here.
BRAC is very active in providing programs to help economic development, education, and disaster relief. For example, in economic development, BRAC help microfinance and developing their business in Bangladesh. They distribute products made by indigenous peoples. The business they mostly help is agriculture sector. It provides collateral-free loans to mostly poor, landless, rural women, enabling them to generate income and improve their standards of living. BRAC Microedits program has funded over $1.9 billion in loans in its first 40 years. Second, for education. BRAC is one of the largest NGOs involved in primary education in Bangladesh. They help children to get education. As of the end of 2012, it had more than 22,700 non-formal primary schools with a combined enrollment of 670,000 children. Third, public health program. BRAC started providing public health care with an initial focus on curative care through paramedics and a self-financing health insurance scheme. The program went on to offer integrated health care service. BRAC has been succeed to decrease violence against women by 15 until 20%. And then lastly, in disaster relief, BRAC also for many times distributed emergency relief materials, including food and clothing, to over 900,000 survivors of disaster, provided medical care to over 90,000 victims, and secure safe supplies of drinking water. BRAC is now focusing on long-term rehabilitation, which will include agriculture support, infrastructure reconstruction, and livelihood regeneration.
So, next we are going to discuss about the impact of BRAC.
In economy, through microfinance, they created a product which is microcredit. The result of microcredit has been proved very effective. The example of this is Bangladesh. In Jahitpur, under Kubarkali Thana in Kusita district, Jahitpur has 37% of self-employment work and 32% of unemployment and 31% of low-paid work, which is really high. After they implement this microcredit, the self-employment work rate has been increased to 93%, and low-paid work has been decreased to 7%, and the unemployment work has been decreased to 0%. As in social, they've created a BRAC school, which is an activity of BRAC, an education program. 93% of students who goes to BRAC school, which is who graduate in primary school, are continuing on secondary school, while in government school, only 67% who graduate are continuing to secondary school. Well, that's it from the impact of BRAC.
BRAC is one of the non-government organizations originated in Bangladesh. They are known as the fastest growing non-government organization in the world because they have several lines of businesses. The first one is microfinance that provide microcredits for the poor people in Bangladesh. They allocate approximately around $1 billion per year. The second line of business is the internet service provider that provide internet services for all around Bangladesh. The third one is the agriculture business. They got the feed mills, chicken farms, and also the tea plantation. Besides all this agriculture business, they also got the packaging factories that provide logistics for all around Bangladesh. And 80% of the money generated in this business operation will be then reinvested into the microfinance business to giving more loans to the people.
Ready?
Okay, so that's all from BRAC.
Don't forget to like, comment,
And subscribe!
Boom!